Truck strobe lights. Flashlights that are commonly used in some photo studios are otherwise known or called stroboscopic lamp, stroboscope, or just plain strobe lights. But you might be wondering what really a strobe light is. Apart from being used in studios, strobe lights is a short length and blinking bright light more like a star. The blinking bright light that you see in a truck is basically called truck strobe lights. Strobe light manufacturers presents various different types of strobe lights. Two of these types are fixed and portable strobe lights. You basically prefer to purchase a portable strobe light if you are a person who loves the great outdoors. If you want to know more about this, you might want to visit www.truckstrobelights.com. Thank you.